In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the time that you're available on Fresha. Whether you're managing a busy salon, barbershop, or any other service-based business, ensuring that your availability is up to date is crucial for a smooth operation. Let's walk through the steps together to help you adjust your schedule effortlessly. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Fresha website. This step is your gateway into managing your availability and connecting with your team and clients. Once you're on the Fresha homepage, the next step will be to log into your account. If you haven't already bookmarked the site, it might be a good idea to do so for quick access in the future. After you've logged in, the next destination is the Teams section. Think of this area as your headquarters for managing employee schedules. Within this section, you'll be able to keep an eye on how your team is allocated throughout the week. Now you'll want to click on Scheduled Shifts. This is where you manage your team's schedules in a structured manner. If you're unfamiliar with this section, take a moment to explore. It's designed to offer you a clear view of how each day of the week is organized for your team. Next, look for the specific schedule that you need to modify. It's important to ensure you're looking at the right one, especially if you've got multiple team members with varying schedules. Once you've identified the correct schedule, you'll be able to make the necessary changes to reflect your current availability. Now, select the day or time slot you need to change. This is where you'll implement any updates or adjustments to your availability. Click on the slot that isn't quite right and select Edit this day. Here, you can input the new start and end times that align with your current availability. Being precise with this step ensures that your timing is accurately reflected for anyone booking or managing appointments. Finally, after you've made your adjustments, don't forget to click Save. This critical step applies your updates to the schedule, ensuring your new availability is live. Remember, any changes you make won't be active until you hit that Save button, so double-check your times before concluding. And there you have it, a straightforward way to ensure your availability is correct on Fresha. By following these steps, you can maintain an organized schedule that reflects your true availability, ultimately benefiting both your team and your clients. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial today, and don't forget to keep your schedule updated regularly as your availability changes.